In this video we want to show you how to get rid of smelly hands when cooking with garlic or onions. If you work with garlic or onions, it is hard to remove the smell with soap. There is one easy trick to remove the garlic and onion smell on your hands very fast and powerful. You just need something that is made of stainless steel. Many kitchen sinks are made of stainless steel. You can just rub your hands on it. Or there are stainless steel kitchen tools you can get in every kitchen store, if your sink isn't made of stainless steel. We hope this short kitchen hack helps you next time you are getting smelly hands. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.